Is eating every other day the secret to a healthier you? Let's dig into alternate day fasting. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. Picture this. One day you're digging into your favorite meals guilt-free, and the next, you're practically a monk, sticking to a super low-calorie intake. Welcome to alternate day fasting, or ADF, a type of intermittent fasting that has the health and wellness world buzzing. But is it really as good as it sounds? Here's the lowdown on what ADF is, what benefits it offers. Spoiler, weight loss is one of them. And whether it actually works. What exactly is alternate day fasting? Alternate day fasting is a form of intermittent fasting where you cycle between fast and feast days. On fast days, you eat very little, usually around 25% of your normal daily calorie intake, which is roughly 500 calories for most people. On feast days, you're free to eat as you normally would, with no calorie restrictions. This pattern creates a feast or famine cycle that's simple in theory, but may be challenging in practice. The appeal of ADF lies in its straightforwardness. Unlike other diets where you might be counting every carb or protein gram, ADF keeps things clear-cut. Fast one day, feast the next. Plus, you don't have to entirely give up your favorite foods on non-fasting days. This can be a game changer for people who feel restricted by traditional dieting plans. What is alternate day fasting good for? 1. Weight loss without constant calorie counting. Weight loss is the star benefit of alternate day fasting. When you're cutting back drastically every other day, you create a calorie deficit over time. Think about it. Eating 500 calories on fast days compared to a typical intake means you're reducing your weekly calorie load significantly without having to count calories every day. So, for those who struggle with traditional calorie tracking or sticking to a low-calorie diet daily, ADF can be a refreshing change. 2. Potential metabolic and heart health benefits. Alternate day fasting may offer more than weight loss. There's growing evidence that intermittent fasting, including ADF, may improve metabolic health markers, such as insulin sensitivity, which helps keep blood sugar in check. Some studies even suggest it could support heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol and blood pressure, which is good news for the 9-to-5 warriors trying to keep stress and cholesterol low. 3. Appetite control. Interestingly, alternate day fasting may help reduce your overall appetite. After a few cycles, people report feeling less hungry on fasting days, potentially because fasting can lower ghrelin levels, the so-called hunger hormone. It's like training your body to get used to going without a steady stream of snacks. 4. Simplifying the diet mindset. Many people find it easier to stick to ADF because it doesn't require a total overhaul of daily habits. You can still enjoy social events and indulge in your favorite foods without guilt, at least every other day. This can be particularly helpful for those who have found restrictive diets too tough to stick with long-term. You might even find yourself looking forward to fast days as a sort of reset, which can make eating feel less like a daily battle. Does it really work? Here's the million-dollar question. Does ADF deliver on its promises? The short answer is yes, for many people. ADF is proven to support weight loss, and several studies suggest it could boost other health markers as well. One study even found that ADF participants lost about the same amount of weight as those who consistently restricted their calories every day. So, if you're looking for a path to weight loss that doesn't feel like 24/7 deprivation, ADF can be a great fit. However, like any diet, ADF isn't a magic bullet. Some people struggle with hunger and low energy on fasting days, especially in the beginning. It can take time to adjust, and it's not ideal for everyone. Individuals with certain health conditions, or those who are pregnant or have specific dietary needs, should steer clear or consult a healthcare provider before diving in. A few practical tips for success with ADF. If you're interested in trying ADF, here are a few tips to make the transition smoother. Start gradually. Rather than jumping into full fasting every other day, try easing in with partial fasts or intermittent fasting windows to get your body accustomed to longer periods without food. Stay hydrated. This is key on fasting days. Not only does water keep you feeling fuller, but staying hydrated can also help prevent headaches and low energy levels. Focus on nutrient-dense foods on fast days. You'll want to make those 500 calories count. Opt for foods high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied and provide lasting energy. Listen to your body. A DF can be intense, especially in the beginning. If you're feeling lightheaded or overly fatigued, it's okay to eat a little more. Health comes first. The takeaway: is a DF worth a try? Alternate day fasting has strong potential for weight loss and improving certain health markers, making it worth considering for anyone who finds traditional diets too rigid or tedious. The feast and famine cycle might just offer the best of both worlds, structure with flexibility, allowing you to enjoy the occasional indulgence without compromising your goals. While it's not for everyone, and it does require some discipline, yes, saying no to that snack might hurt, alternate day fasting can be a sustainable option for many. If you're curious and ready to try something new, ADF might just be the refreshing approach to health and weight loss you're looking for. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe for a healthy and fulfilling life.